envelopes. And check it out. If you see the letters M or X or the number 3,
Ayun.
that means
Oh, we
you
got
get a
winners
special
over here.
prize. Go
Claim
over
your
there.
prize.
Go over there. Please claim your prize. Ay, teka, sasamahan ko siya, nanalo siya. I will assist you because you cannot claim the prize without me. Okay. Yes, I have to assist you. Mami, kunin mo na yan, ha? Because they will not give the prize to you unless you are with me, okay? Yes.
Are you the
No,
prize?
I will help you claim it, okay? Of course. Oh, yes, of course. You will get your prize. Come on. Okay, get your prizes while I guard this boy. Come on. No, you're not. I'm not your prize, but I will give you extra prize. Give me your bank account. Please wave your envelopes. Can you put up the envelopes, please? Put up the envelopes there. Hey, please, don't touch my nipple. That's my nipple already. Oh my gosh, I'm saying this with po. Nagselos ka ba? Nagselos ka ba? Taga-tipo ka naman. Isa lang ako. You are my dinner, okay? I haven't eaten yet. Can I eat? Can we eat? Can we have dinner? I mean, eat dinner. Okay. Okay. Si Mami, oh. Sige, you got your prize. You look like an actor in the Philippines. Yes, you know Paquito Diaz? Always the most handsome guy in the Philippines. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, S3. Thank you. Thank you. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Yes.
And